Alright guys, so if your Anbernic is not powering on, even when you hold it, you push the reset, you tried swapping out the battery, disconnecting it, reconnecting it, pretty much nothing works, right? So what you do is you pull out the SD, and let me show you how to reload the firmware. So the first step you'll do is you'll go to this website here, and I can link it down below so you guys don't have to type it out. You'll come over here, just confirm which model you have. This is the one that I have the RG35XX Plus, and this is just the English 64 gig 2024. So basically the latest version. You click download, and I already did that. So let me pull up the folder. So then you get this folder here. You'll double click on this, and you'll only have this right here. So you're gonna have to right click and extract. So then when you extract, now you have this folder. So this is actually the image file. Okay, so I've put in my SD card. You're gonna run Rufus. So you just double click. You click yes. And then here's the software that was right there. So you're gonna select your SD card. So that's this one right here. It's gonna be image. So that's already selected. Let's see what else we got. So that's it. You hit ready. Hold on, am I missing something? Oh, okay. Sorry. You have to select the image. So then you'll make sure it says on IO. Select the file right here, which was in that folder. So you click OK. And then you click start. You go through all the warnings because it's going to erase everything. You know that. And it takes a little bit of time. I want to say maybe 30 minutes to an hour. But you basically wait for this to wipe out and then reload this 64 gigabyte file onto your thumb drive. And then we'll go from there. So I'll let you know when it's all finished. Alright, so I got here right before it ended here. And as you can see, it takes about 30 minutes. So it's almost done. So I'm not sure how long the partition will take. It says this may take a while. I'm assuming it'll be a few seconds here. Okay, that's it. Yep, so we're done. So now we just click close. Make sure you eject it properly. So you're just gonna eject the USB drive. And let's get back to the game. Alright, so now we're just going to insert it into slot 1 and hold the power button. And there we go. It's powering on. It might take a little longer because it's kind of going to extract all the files. But let's see if it gets past the boot screen. There we go. So everything works, and if you go to your settings and go down to your firmware, there it is right there. So the Plus 2024. So this is the latest firmware as of right now. And that's it. So if you go to your games, go to your whatever system you want. Game Boy, it's got all the games, and that's it. So to power off, most people just click this button, but that just turns off the backlight, so you kind of save your battery. But you see that shows that it's still on, so you actually have to turn it back on. You have to hold it. Goodbye. So there you go guys, thanks for watching. This is the fix.